Hi, it's Hannah with WTI here with my Cpap machine.
Do you have one too? Well, then you know it takes up a ton of space on your nightstand, and I was tired of having no room. So, this shelf here by Vornalex has been a lifesaver. It was easy to install, just a few screws. It fits my AirSense 10 perfectly. It allows me to still be able to pull out the water tank to add distilled water when that runs out. It also has a nice hanging spot for my mask, and it also has a nice holder for the hose. So not only has this gotten the whole machine off of my nightstand, but it has made the hose much easier at night to not feel like it's pulling back on my head when it's behind my bed. I love in the morning that I can wake up, clean this with some wipes, hang it up on the hook, and it's going to be dry and clean and right there, ready for when I go to bed at night. So, if you have an AirSense 10 and you want to reclaim your nightstand and have a nice place to have your mask all the time and not have this hose all over the place, I highly recommend this shelf. But that's just my point of view.